Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Telegram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Telegram. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Telegram app on your device and tap Start Messaging. You can use the QR code method to log in with the help of your phone, but we will be using the phone number method. So tap Login using your phone number. Here, select your country or region and enter your phone number. Tap Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, so enter the verification code. And that's how you log in to Telegram. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.